Okay. So last week we started with a demo session on development, and we worked on the basic tools, and we started with writing a simple code using the developer console. And we were working on collection data types. Also, we have seen what is the governor limit and what are the governor limits we have. So these are the things what we have done in previous session. Okay. So this is our anonymous window block. And last time when we run this code, what happened?
We hit the limit.
System limit exception.
Right, we hit the limit. Okay. So we hit the governor limit, right? So what we discussed that we have to use the collection variable to fix this issue, because there is no issue to insert 155 records. The issue with executing the insert statement is a problem, right? So we have governor limits, 150 DML statement you can execute in one transaction. This is one transaction. So for this, we worked on a list. So let's, we have also we have seen the what is list and what are the methods we use in list to work with a list, right? So what are the list methods we have? What are the list methods we have?
Add all.
So like add all, set. So we started with these methods last week, right? We just use the add method, add index, this method, right? So let's see the other methods too. Okay. I'm going to declare a variable list integer variable. I give some name L. So what this statement will do, it will create a empty list. What the statement will do, this will create a empty list of integer. L equals new list of integer. This will create a empty list. Okay, now I need to add values. So we have to use the variable name and the method add. So this we have done last week, but yeah, it is. Okay. So here we use system.debug statement to display the debug. Okay, to display the debug statement, we use system.debug method. Debug method is a system class. Debug method is from system class. Okay, so we can use the system.debug method to display the debug logs. Okay, if I want to display the L list values. Okay, so values in the list are, I want to display this. So concatenation just L. So what L contains? L contains this, right? 5285436. Let me execute. And this is my debug log. On the developer console, we can see the debug log. Let me click on the debug log statement. Now you can see that. So whatever the order we entered, 5285436, 5285436. In the same order, the values are available in the list in the same order. That's why we define the list is like list is a collection of ordered elements and it allows duplicates. So 5 is repeated 2 times. 5 is repeated 2 times. So what happened here? It is allowing the duplicates. And which order? The order which we enter, the order which user enter, in the same order, it will display the list as well. It will display the list as well. Okay. Now we have another method, L dot add 2, 4. What it will do? Now previously add method, we just passed the one parameter 6. Now we are passing the parameter 2, 4.
In the index 2, second position, second list.
Index 2. What is index 2 here? Which is index 2? Very good. The first one.
8. L dot add 8.
Yes, very good. So L, okay, this is the second position. So it starts from 0th position. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is the second position. It will push the other 8 to 8 will get pushed to the third index. And this index, the 4 value will get added in the place of 4. Or let me add another value which is not available. Let's tell 9. Let me execute and I will open the log as well. Debug logs. Now what happened? 9 is replaced, not replaced, 9 is pushed. Okay, 9 is replaced with the set with the second index, right? And the 8th value which was there in the second index, it moved to third index. It moved to third index. Okay. Also, we can work with, okay, how many values available in this list? How many values available in the list? How to know that? How many values available in the list? So we can use, let's say, system dot debug. Okay. The total values in the list. Concatenation. L dot size is a method. Size L dot size is a method. So size method will return the number, the count, the total count. How many values available in this list? How many values available in the list? This is my log. Debug only. So how many values we have? That is returning 8. So total values available in the list is 8. 8 values available in this list. So what L dot size will do? Return the total count of list. Okay. Now if I say L dot clear, these are self-explanatory. Clear will remove, clone will copy another list, copy to the other list. Contains. If I want to check if any particular element available in the list or not. For example, let's say system.debug value 3 is value 3 available in the list. So how to know? L dot contains. L dot contains. And we need to pass the value. What value? 3. So what it will do? It returns the true or false. It returns true or false. If the 3 value available, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. So what it returns? right? True, because the 3 value is available. If you have a requirement to identify that you have a list of records and you need to identify if this particular email ID available in the list or not, how you will verify? So you have to use this method. You have to use this method, contains method. This is very important method. Okay, so contains method. You can compare equals get index. If you want to get a specific value from the list, we can use get. With the help of get method, we can get a specific value available in the index. That means if I here, okay, where is the fourth index value? What is the fourth index value? So 4 is the fourth index. What is the third? Fifth is it? Fifth index value is third. If I say get of 5, what I written? If I say get of 5, what it written? Value 3. Value 3. Right? So that is get. Also we have set. The difference between the get and the difference between get and set is get, you will retrieve the value. Set, if you want to set the value to a particular index, we can use the set method. You can use the set method. So let me assign set the value in the fifth index. Okay. Replacing the fifth index value with 7. Okay. So L dot set. So fifth index value. Fifth index value I'm going to replace with value 7. Value 7. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now can you see that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fifth index, what happened? You can compare the two lists. Right? What is the difference? After using the set method, it replaces or it overrides? Okay. What's the difference? The two list.
It's the fifth index is replaced
Yeah. So we can
from
see
4 to
that
7. Yeah.
the difference here is the 7 is added, okay, in the place of fifth index, and it did not, okay, it did not override. You see, it override or it is replaced?
Replaced.
Fourth, yeah, sorry, to override the fourth value. The value 4 is got replaced. There's no 4 value here. If I use add of index comma value, if I use set index comma value, the difference is add method will it will add additional value, set will be replaced. Okay. Like this, we have so many other functions. Is empty also, it returns true or false if there's no value in the list. If there's no elements in the list, it will return true, is empty. No, otherwise it will return false. Okay, you can also remove a specific value from this list. So set is a function which we have used, size is a function which we use. So these are the set list functions. So these are the list functions. Okay, I hope I gave the link already.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. So you have to go, and there are a lot of examples are there. You don't need to type in the examples, just copy and understand. Okay, what is the use of list here? And you have to practice. This is your task. This is your main task today. Okay. So these are important task. Fine. So let's move on to set. Okay. Let's move on to set. So what is a set? What is a set? What we discuss about set?
It's a collection of lists.
What we discuss about set?
It won't allow duplicates.
Very good.
It's an unordered collection of elements.
Excellent. It's a unordered collection of elements. What I'm doing here is I'm just remove the list. I say set of integer L new set of integer. Let me just add the same thing. I don't want changes. Okay. I didn't do any changes. Same add method. I'm using the same add method here as well. Let's see the difference. So what happened here?
It removed the duplicates.
It removed the duplicates.
And
Very good.
It did not add it in the order you gave it.
Right. It is not in the order which we entered. Right? It is not the order which we entered, but also it removed duplicates. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 7. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. It is in ascending order. Okay, but list follow the indexing. Why we say ordered collection? We use the index help. We can use the index help. Here, there's no index help. There's no indexing. In set, there's no indexing. If there is no indexing, add all, set, get, there is no method supports in set. In set, the methods like get, set, add all, index, comma value, these method won't support. The index methods, whatever we have seen in list, it won't support in set collection type. And it is a unordered collection of elements, and it won't allow duplicate values. It won't allow duplicate values. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
What is it? And set will have most of the methods will be almost the same in set. In set, most of the methods will be almost same. So if you go to the set class, what are set methods we have? Let me go down a little so you can see add all, but there is no index, right? Same clear method, clone method, even contains method is there. Okay, equals if you want to compare a two set, is empty is same, remove is same, size method is same. So most of the methods are same in set, but there are few methods which are not available in set. A few methods which are not available in the set. Which are the methods? Add method, which is take two parameters, index comma value. Set and get methods are not available in the set. Okay. So what is set here? Set is a unordered collection of elements, and it will allow duplicates. Unordered collection of elements, and it will allow, or it will not allow duplicates. That is set. Okay. So list and set, clear everyone? Any questions here? Any questions here?
Yeah, no questions.
Okay, that's good. Let's work on map. Okay, so what is map here? What we discuss about the map? Yeah, what is a map?
Key value pair.
It's a map is a collection of key value
Key
pair,
value pair.
right? So here we use map. String comma string. What is string here? String is a key, value is a key. String is a key, also value is a key here. Okay. Map is a collection of key and value pairs. Here the key can be a primitive. Here the key can be any ID. Okay. The value here, the value can be a primitive, S object, or collection, or another collection too. So key, what is a key? Key always will be primitive, and value can be primitive, collection, and object, S object. Okay. Now let's define here map. I need to create an empty map. How to create empty map? How to create empty map? So map string comma string. So key and value I have declared as a string. So it's a both primitives. How to create empty string? You have to give the map name. Okay, I'll say country codes, just CC map of string comma string. Any questions on this line code? In this code? In this line, any questions?
No, it's very similar to the list and other ones
Yeah,
declaration.
empty, creating an empty map. Empty list, empty set, empty map. What if I don't do this? What if I don't do this?
Do they have null values?
Yes, it will have a null values. It will have a null values. It will have null values. List, let's say, it's object list of account. What is that? Now I didn't define any, just I declare a variable, type is list of accounts. Okay. Now if I try to, let me do this, please watch here what happened. This is just a variable declaration, list of account A. I am saying insert A. A is null, right? A is a null. What is the exception? Please note down. What is the exception? Last time we see the limit exception. What is this exception? Null pointer exception. Means you are trying to insert a null value. So what is A value? A is null. A is a null. If I do, new keyword will assign some memory location, and list of account is a constructor. That means I created a empty account, a null account, empty record, not null. Null and there's a lot difference. Now I just created a empty account record. Now there is an issue. Is there an issue? Now you see the difference. Why we write this line? Hope you understand why we write this line. It's a good practice always. What is a variable declaration? Variable declaration is simple. Integer A. What is the value? If you don't provide a default value, what happens? It will be a null value. That's why we are providing a empty. We are creating a empty location. To avoid this null pointer exceptions, we create this list set map with the first, whenever we declare with empty string. We declare with empty account. It will create a null account, it will create an empty account. Then you can provide a values. Okay. So that is why we write that code. Understood? Why we write this? If we don't declare this, what happen? It will assign null values. It will assign null values. Okay. So let's work on the map. I need to enter the values. How to enter the values into the map? How to enter the values into the map? In list and set, what method we used?
Add.
Right? Yes. Here we don't have add method here. We have put method. Put. Now here we are going to add country and code. Let's say, for example, India. Code is IND. Or let's say IND India. So this will, so IND is a key here. Value is India. IND is a key here and value is India. If I execute what happened, it will create a empty map and it assign a value IND and comma India. Oh, sorry, this is should be single quotation. Okay, let me add more values to understand better. Okay. Let me add some values. IND Indonesia. IND Bharat. Hindustan. USA. United States. US. United States. Okay. Fine. Okay. So what I'm doing here, I'm using same keywords, exactly same. Okay. The keys, if you observe, keys are same, but for some of them, it's have the different. The difference is, you can see full complete capital letters, complete small, and mix with alphanumeric. Okay, alpha and the capital letter and small letters. And here, the countries are the names you can see. Oh, United. So the kind of names you can see, it is United States. Okay. So the name you can see, the names here, the same names here, duplicated. So what happened if I enter the duplicate keys, and we have duplicate keys and duplicate values? What happened? Let's see that. Okay, and understand. Or what happened? Okay, what's the issue? We didn't add a new keyword. Okay, let me execute. Now you see the difference. What is your observation with this? Yes.
Keys need to be unique.
Keys should be unique. Okay. And
And
which
it is
order?
case sensitive.
Which order it is? Which order it is storing the values?
Alphabetical order.
Yeah. If you see the
And
key,
there are
it is
there are duplicates too.
duplicates too. What are the duplicates?
With the only with the values, United States, not the
Values.
key.
Okay, values can be duplicated, but not the keys. Is keys duplicated?
No. Keys are unique.
IND repeated, but not in the same case. Right? IND repeated. 3 times IND repeated. It was actually 5 times, right? 5 times, but it is displaying only 3 times. 4 times, sorry.
Say,
But
question.
it's different. Yes.
See, IND, India is the first put statement, right? So why did it not get inserted versus the Indonesia? That's the one that got inserted. What is the order?
Yeah, it was overridden.
Overrides.
Oh, okay.
The first, that's a IND key. First, it has a value India with IND. Next, in the same key, you added another value. In the same key, you added other values, so it overrides the India with Indonesia.
Okay,
And
so there are no two statements for put and override or update. It's the same thing, right?
yeah, that is the behavior of key, map key and map value. Map key is a unique, always key always will be unique. Values will be duplicated. We can see that United States 2 times, right? United States we can see 2 times. United States present 2 times. But the same IND, the key is replaced to India with Indonesia. And here it works, the key will be case sensitive, right? And in which order it is displaying? It is in
Alphabetical order of the values.
ascending order. Okay. Okay. I want to get only values. Map elements. Now map of values. Map of values. I want to print map of values. Okay. Mod cc dot, cc is a map variable. Cc dot values. Values is a method. Okay. And also, okay, let's see this. Execute. Debug. Okay, now see what we are getting, only values. Now what values we have here and which order it is saving. What you observe here? Only I am just taking only map of values.
So it's sorting by the keys ascending.
No,
No,
it is not sorting by the keys. You can verify. First, IND India was there. Then the same key Indonesia is replaced. So Indonesia, then Bharat, then Hindustan, then United States, then again United States, then again India. Which order it is?
Entry order.
Entry order. So values stores in entry order. Values will be in order, but not keys. In map, values will be in not ascending order. Values will be in ordered data. Map of values will be ordered data, but keys are unordered data. Now I want to get only keys. System.debug map of keys. Map of keys. So what is the method we have here is cc.keyset. cc.keyset. Keyset method, it returns the complete keys, only keys. Only keys. What we got? So we can get only values, we can get only keys. Understood? So from map, you can get only key if you want only keys, or if you want to get only values, you can get.
So what is this order, Sheikh?
This is ascending. Keys will be ascending order.
But in that case, why do we have US, USA followed by IND?
Yeah, this is in the same order, right? First IND, capital, first capital letters.
Okay.
Then all smalls. First all capitals, then 2 letters capital and small, then first capitals, 2 letters small, and then U. How the first it will give the preference. What is ascending order? First in alphabetical order. First it will be take the capital letters, then it will take to the small letters, then numbers, right? So here is the same thing. Capital.
In
then
this case, the fourth entry should have been IND, right?
No. U capital. First it will complete the A to Z.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Right? Then
Got it. Thank you.
Okay, so this is a ascending order. So keys will be same like set. Value same like a list. In simple. Okay, what is the keys? Keys always same like set. Value same like list. Okay. When you're performing the DMLs, okay, when we are performing the DMLs can only perform means you can write a DML statements on list, not on set. We cannot say insert set variable, but you can say insert list variable. Also, DML can only perform on list, but not on set. Not on set. Also, DMLs can perform on map of values. Map of values. Oh, okay. But not on the maps. Not on the maps. So you mean that means you can say list, if we have any variable list, account ACC. Okay, if I have something like this, I can say insert ACC. Will it throw any error message? Will it throw any error message? Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Now, is it throwing an error message? But what if I say set here? What is the error message? DML requires SObject or SObject list type. But you are trying to perform the DMLs on set. Require exceptions. DML require exception. Okay, clear everyone? What it is saying? You cannot perform the DML on
Set.
set. You can perform the DML on only list, or you can perform the DMLs on map also. Map of only values. Only values. Only values means I should say ACC. If I just say ACC, again throw error message. Why? Why it is throwing error message?
Can you please go back to the statement?
Just now we discussed this, right?
It has to be a list.
You read the statement what I read, what I wrote here. DMLs can only perform on list, not on a set. That is one statement. Also, DMLs can perform on map of values, but not on the maps. Understood?
Yeah.
DML can perform on map of values, but not on the maps. Here you are trying to insert ACC. It's a map of value. That's why it is throwing error message. Specific list type is map. So it is here, it should be, here it should be not set. It should be list of map of values. How to get the map of value? ACC dot values. Now, ACC dot values. Can I perform the DMLs? Will it throw any error message?
No.
No. Understood? This is very, very, very important. We can perform the DML statements on list, but not on set. DMLs we can perform on list, but not on set. Also DMLs we can perform on map of values, but not on the maps. Okay. This is very.
So in this statement, what is being inserted here?
Oh, we are not inserting anything.
Okay. So
Just
what does
demo.
the insert statement do? It just says it is syntactically correct.
It's not. See, we are not. We are. It's a not a null. It's a empty account record.
Okay.
It's just an empty account record. It inserts a empty account record.
Okay.
Sheikh, I'm sorry, I might have missed something. You said DML accounts can only perform on lists, not on I mean, what I meant is map of values, but not on maps, right? But maps have the IDs and
Yeah. So here
keys and values, right? So
it's not only ID. I'm taking just an example. This is just an example. Here we are saying map key can be any primitive, right? Primitive means it can be integer, ID, string, date, boolean, anything. It can be anything. And value, it can be primitive, it can be collection, it can be a object. Here it is as object. The map and in the map key and value can be any primitives or primitive on S object and collections. Okay.
okay, sorry, I missed that. So thank you.
And also the map, okay, the map will have the methods like we can get only map values, we can get only map keys. Okay, so map of values, what we discuss is values similar like list. Okay, values similar like list, keys similar like set. That's why we are not performing, we cannot perform the DML operations on map. If I just say ACC, it throw a message. You cannot perform the okay, here it should be okay. If we cannot perform the DMLs on just a map, but if I use ACC dot values, it returns only the map values. Now you can perform. Okay. Clear, everyone?
Sure.
Okay, great. So key same like set, value same like list. And we can perform, this is very important, the DML statement. What are the DML statements we have? Insert, update, delete. These are the DML statements. So DML means not only insert, it can be insert, it can be update, it can be delete. We have even upsert. Okay, but let's not go in depth. So just understand like, what is a DML. Whenever you are updating the record data in a database, we use DML statements. In creating a new record, updating the existing record, or deleting the existing record. So we use DML statements. Okay, so DML statement you can perform on list, but not on set. And also we can perform on list map of values, but not on maps. Okay. 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 So also we have same functions like contains key. Let me go to the map of map methods. We have map class and we have map method. Map methods, so most of the methods will be same, like clear, clone, contains key. Contains key will return contains key. In list and set we use contains. Then that what contains will do, contains will return true or false if that specified value was there. Now here also the contains key, you have, if you want to compare the key as available, the given key is available in the map or not. If you want to test, you can test and return the true or false. We use contains key and comparing the map with the map. Get key, get as object, is empty, return the same true or false. Remove, put here, this is a function which we have used. And this is a function what we have used, key set, to get all the keys in the map. And put is a method which we use to put some values into the, like add in list and set, we have add, in a map we have put method. In map we have put method. There we add all. Here we have put all. And the remaining functions again same, except values. Values will be like to get only the values available in the list, or sorry, map of values you can get. Okay, understood what is list, set, map?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Any questions? So please, I'll give the link to this. You can just, this is a different link. Both not the same. Okay. Just practice this. If you want to practice about size, you click on, there is a small code. You can just copy this code, okay, and go to your developer console. On developer console, use the anonymous window and execute and click on the open logs. It will open a log, and you can click on this debug filter to see the debug statements. Okay.
Yeah. Quick question. Pragna, did you get the day 2 videos?
I did, Google. Thank you.
Okay, just wanted to make sure because I'm adding to the same folder. So
Yeah.
I'm not sending it to you
Okay.
separately. So whenever you want, you can go there and check it out.
Thank you. Yeah.
No problem. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank
Bye.
you.
Okay, we'll connect tomorrow and we'll
Okay,
continue.
thanks. Okay, good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.